Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So in this video we'll be talking about OPay update. So this is for those of you that already have an OPay inactive account of up to 180 days, or you don't already have an account on OPay. But if you already have an account, that's one account, and you don't have another account, you can also create an account for this video. So this means 1,600 naira you will get for referring or reactivating that old account. So in this video I'll show you the guys. So first of all, you're just going to go ahead and open OPay. Then once OPay is open, you're going to click on the me section. Then you're going to scroll down and find invitation. Use this section, not use the one in the home page. So once it loads up, you will see. So you see this invite now, you're going to click on it. So that's the invite now, you click on it to direct you to the home page for you to complete your OPay tax. Okay, so once in case in a scenario where you actually lose that pop-up, you can just click on the back button, then you click on it. So you're going to share this link. So you're going to share this link to your WhatsApp. Now you can send it to your me, that you can send, because WhatsApp has a me section. So you can send it to your me or send it to the other phone if you have another WhatsApp account. Then once you have sent it, you log out of your current one. Don't log in into the new one that you want to use or the inactive one. Don't log in. Just wait ahead for the next instruction. You have inactive OPay account. Get back to school. First of all, log out of the current one. Don't log into that new one yet. No. Now, once you have copied your link back, because I expect you to have copied the link. Once you have copied the link, you're not going to send it to yourself on WhatsApp. Yeah, just send it to yourself, to you, or to another number. Now you log out of that your OPay account. Now you put in your number. Click on the link. You see a Facebook number I'll attach it in the video. Then just continue from there. Okay, so once you have already been able to click on the link, you'll see this page. So you're going to put in your number, that inactive OPay account, the one you have not created, the inactive one, just put in the number here. So for those of you that don't have an active OPay account, you can put it here. And for those of you that already have two OPay accounts, but one is inactive, you just put it here. Then, so once you have opened it, it show you a pop-up that you have won 100 airtime, then that's how you can confirm if you actually did it well. So once you have been able to log into your account like this, you're now going to scroll down, then you click on airtime. But before then, to show you a pop-up on that link that you are eligible, now you see your airtime, you see the voucher. So you are going to see the airtime voucher. Okay, so you can now use it to you can also put in your own number. Then you just put 100 now. It will be for free. I'm just going to put in your payment PIN and then we'll continue. Once you are done with it, to show you this airtime, then you go back to your normal OPay account or continue from there. Once you are at this page, you click on invitation. Now, in such a scenario where it still shows that to be completed, you are now going to have to do what we call, you are going to have to fund your bet. If you do Sporty or just create a free Sporty account, fund it with 100 naira. So once I have funded it with 100 naira, this will be completed. So if you don't actually have a Sporty betting account, you can just buy that at any number using that inactive number. Once you have done the step, then you see this kind of page. You receive a notification that the name of the referee has done the tax. So just click on got it. So after the 1.5, for those of you that actually have a lot of people at home and they don't have another OPay account, you can just click on invite now again, then you earn 1.8, then the last person you invite to earn 2,200. But I'm going to put in an invite code in the description box. Use that code if you know you don't have an OPay account on the onset. But if you have an OPay account, don't use that code. Go and use your own code so that you get the 1,800. And then for those asking, yes, the 1,800 will be deposited to your account directly. Let me show you. So I'm saying the 1,600 will be deposited to your account, so you can use it to do any other thing you want to do on the platform. That means you can use it to withdraw and all of those things. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notification button to get notified when we upload new content like this. This update is very easy and it's best for people that have OPay account and you are not using it. Like you had an OPay account, two accounts, you do not use one for over 180 days. This update for you. Mind you, if you don't already have an OPay account, you already have one OPay account and don't have another inactive one, you can create another one with your NIN or your BVN, because they allow you to have two OPay accounts maximum. You'll be able to get your 1,600. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.